Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. Today we'll be looking at 7 skills that will make you rich in e-commerce. Number 1, the ability to communicate with customers persuasively. This is what I refer to as the closing skill. Being able to close implies that you can persuade others, not by blackmail, but by demonstrating how what you do provides value to their life. You make them what you have to offer by making them want it. Do you know how to tie a knot? Are you able to explain the value of what you have to offer by potential clients? Do you know how to use compelling questions to persuade people to buy? Are you confident in your ability to converse with strangers? Are you able to present your ideas and show off your product or service? Everything is in your closing ability.
The letters at the addresses written on the envelopes.
Number 2, the ability to communicate with groups. That's what I refer to as the public speaking ability. Do you know what the most common fear is in life? It's nothing to do with snakes, spiders, or even death. The most common phobia is public speaking. Why is it that so many people are afraid to speak in front of a crowd? Most of the time it's because they're afraid of sounding silly or strange. They're terrified of saying something incorrect. Outstanding leaders such as Steve Jobs, Tony Robbins, and Warren Buffett are almost all great speakers. Public speaking is another talent that has significantly impacted my life. I joined Toastmasters many years ago in order to enhance my English and decrease my accents. I gained self-confidence as my public speaking skills improved. Number 3, the ability to communicate using written words. A significant portion of our daily contact is written. Emails, Facebook messages, LinkedIn entries, and blog posts, for example. So you want to discover how to successfully communicate through written words. It offers you a lot of power. Allow me to give you an excellent example. Assume you write social media postings and have a sizable following. Because what you write is seen by hundreds of people, you gain clout. Hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people might be affected. In fact, copywriting was the first talent I learned in my early 20s. It was the ability that has had the most impact on my life. I went from continually losing money and being in debt to earning $10,000 every month.
At Way Forward, we help you catch these.
Number 4, the ability to communicate with your team in a clear and effective manner. I'm referring to your ability to lead. You must be a good communicator in order to be a good leader. Are you aware of your company's vision and communicating it to your employees? Do you have a strong company culture? Is your management style straightforward but effective? All of them are important aspects of your leadership abilities. Business is an intellectual team sport, not a single activity. You're only as good as your team as a company. It's crucial to hone your leadership skills, to motivate, inspire, and lead your team. Number 5, the ability to effectively manage and organize your time in order to achieve the best possible results. This is known as the time management by some people. Priority management is what I refer to it as because there are only 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, and 365 days in a year. Because we all have the same amount of time, we can't manage it. Your priorities, on the other hand, you can manage. What are the most crucial issues you must address? What factors will cause the needle to move? Will you be able to achieve your objectives as a result of that? The issue is what we never learned how to prioritize in school. You have a variety of tasks to complete during the school day, such as homework and exams. Everything is planned for you.
Tasks, providing team status updates, and sharing general information. Email.
Number 6, financial statements reading ability. Financial literacy skills is another name for it. This is yet another skill that is not taught in schools. How do you know if you're performing well in school? Your grades are determined by the scorecard. Do you have an A, B, or C in your report card? Your financial statements are examined in the business world. They provide information on your financial situation. As a result, your financial statement functions similarly to a report card. They demonstrate your financial management skills. Does this imply that I want you to work as my CPA? No. You must, however, be able to communicate in financial terms. Money literacy is the ability to communicate with money in a clear and understandable manner.
By understanding the rules, you will be able to make better investments.
Number 7, self-control. The most crucial of the 7 abilities is this one. Mindset skill is another name for it. What strategies do you employ to deal with your feelings? Negative emotions include anger, disappointment, depression, fear, envy, limiting beliefs, and procrastination. What do you do when you're confronted by them? What methods do you use to keep your thoughts in check? Can you take action even when you're not in the mood? Is it possible to be afraid and still do it? All the other 6 skills could be perfected. It's possible that you'll be able to control them. It won't work though if your mindset isn't right. All of your other skills and abilities are built on top of your mind. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. With that, I'll see you in the next video. So long, guys. Take care and have a great day or night.